Hello, fantastic viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Sysist. I am a programmer and cybersecurity analyst. I have so many secrets and technique in cybersecurity, IT, technology, and the latest news that I'm thrilled to share these with you. Don't miss out on this opportunity and subscribe to my channel now. I create new videos nearly every day. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and give that thumbs up. Today, I'm excited to guide you through how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Let's dive in. Ubuntu is a popular and user-friendly Linux operating system. It's known for its open-source nature, security, and ease of use. Ubuntu offers a wide range of software and applications, making it suitable for various tasks, from web browsing and media playback to development and system administration. It has a strong community support and regular updates, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for a free and versatile operating system. To run Ubuntu on VirtualBox, you'll need a few things. A dual-core CPU or better is a good starting point, at least 2 GB of RAM for a smooth experience. However, for better performance, especially if you're planning to run applications or multitask within the virtual machine, 4 GB or more is recommended. Generally, you'll need around 25 to 30 GB of free space for a basic Ubuntu installation. Software requirements: you'll need to have Oracle VirtualBox installed on your host operating system. Also, we need to install the VirtualBox Extension Pack as an additional package provided by Oracle for extra features and capabilities to the core VirtualBox application. In addition to the ISO image of the Ubuntu, we need to enable virtualization technology enabled in BIOS UEFI. So let's start it. Alright. So the first thing we're going to do is hop onto the Google search. Open up your web browser, and in the search bar, type Ubuntu, hit enter, and you'll see a bunch of search results pop up. Look for the official website link. Click on Download Ubuntu Desktop. Click on the official Ubuntu website link from the search results. This is where you'll find everything you need to know about Ubuntu, including the download section. Now, accept or manage cookie tracking setting as you wish. Now, scroll down to see the options that are available. This is where the magic happens. You'll be directed to a page with all the available Ubuntu versions. Let's choose the latest version. Okay, now the moment we've been waiting for. Click on that big, shiny download button. The website will start downloading the Ubuntu ISO file to your computer. Hang tight. This might take a little while depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, head to your computer's Downloads folder. In the Downloads folder, you'll find the Ubuntu ISO file you just downloaded. It might have a name like Ubuntu 20.04.desktop-amd64 ISO or something similar. Now, we need to install VirtualBox Extension Pack. If you don't have VirtualBox on your device, I have full tutorial about how to install VirtualBox. There is link right here on the screen, you can click on it. Also, I'll leave link in description. The VirtualBox Extension Pack enhances the functionality of the VirtualBox virtualization software by providing additional features such as USB 2 and 3 support, VirtualBox Remote Desktop Protocol support, encryption, and more. It extends the capabilities of VirtualBox, enabling users to interact with virtual machines more effectively and efficiently by enabling features that aren't included in the core VirtualBox installation. Double-click on VirtualBox icon on your screen and open the interface. Click on toggle icon and click on the extensions. As you see, there is not installation on right pane. Now, let's go back to VirtualBox website in the download page and scroll down. You'll find VirtualBox Extension Pack. Click on the link All Supported Platforms. Click on it. It'll start downloading on your device. After a short moment, you will find the downloaded file in your download folder. Open your download folder and double-click on Oracle VirtualBox Extension Pack. An installation window will pop on your screen. Click on the Install button. Following that, a service agreement will open. Scroll down and agree to the terms. Shortly after, installation process starts and will take few minutes depending on your device resources. The installation has successfully done. And as you see in the right pane of extension section of the VirtualBox, Oracle VM VirtualBox Extension Pack has appeared. Now, it's time to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Once VirtualBox is up and running, you're ready to go. Open VirtualBox, and right on the main screen, you'll spot a new button. Click on it. This action will launch the Create Virtual Machine wizard, which is like your trusty assistant throughout this process. The wizard begins by asking you for a name for your new virtual machine. Let's call it Ubuntu. This name will help you identify your virtual machine in the future. Now, you'll need to specify the location of the image file of Ubuntu operating system. It was in Download folder. Double-click on it. Place a check mark here to skip unattended installation. Click on Next. The next step is crucial, allocating RAM to your virtual machine. RAM is like the memory your computer uses to run programs. So too little might slow things down. A good rule of thumb for beginners is to allocate at least 2 GB or more if your computer can handle it. Just remember, don't go overboard, as you still need memory for your host system. Let's set the number of CPU cores for your virtual machine. This affects multitasking within the VM. To start, allocate 2 cores, ensuring your host OS has enough. Later on, you can try more cores as you get comfortable with virtualization. Here's where you'll set up the virtual hard disk for your Ubuntu. The wizard will ask the amount of space on your hard drive you would like to allocate. Now, you'll choose the type of file for your virtual hard disk. The default option, BDI VirtualBox Disk Image, is usually a safe choice for beginners. It's a format that works well with VirtualBox. Next, you'll decide whether to allocate space dynamically or create a fixed size disk. Dynamic allocation is a smart choice as it only uses space as needed. However, if you're concerned about performance, a fixed size disk might be better. This step is all about disk size, how much space you'll allocate for your virtual machine. Ubuntu tends to work well with around 20 to 30 GB. Keep in mind that the more you allocate, the more space you'll need on your host machine. Initial settings are done. Now you can click on Finish. You may change your setting anytime as you wish by clicking on Settings. Now click on green arrow to start installation. You may get Hypervisor partition error, which it means your device virtualization is disabled. You may open your Task Manager, choose Performance tab. And on the as you see on the screen, virtualization is disabled. Now restart your device, enter to your BIOS. I should press F10. You may have to press another function key to get in. Move to Configuration. And you'll see virtualization technology is disabled. Using arrow keys, move down, press Enter, choose Enable option. Press F10 to save and exit from BIOS. After Windows booted, log in and check back your Task Manager. As you see, virtualization is enabled. Back to VirtualBox, click on green arrow to start installation. Installation is started and it will take few minutes. Ubuntu installation turn to graphical interface, as you wish. Choose the language and click Next. Click Install Ubuntu and click Next. Select your favorite keyboard and click Next. Since you are installing on VirtualBox and not directly on your device as a main operation system, you don't have to worry about connection. Leave connection as default and click Next. Select Normal Installation and click Next. Since you are installing on VirtualBox and not directly on your device as a main operating system, this section will not erase anything from your system. Now, click on Install. You can select your time zone and click Next. Enter your name or name as you wish. And system will generate a computer name for your device, and it will retype the same name as username for you. Also create a password, which you need to retype the password, and click Next. Choose your favorite theme, but remember you can change it later by going to Appearance setting, and click Next. It will take few minutes to finish the installation. You can install, manage and update all apps from both Snap Store or Ubuntu Archive. Click on Restart. It will not restart your device. The restart will be in VirtualBox. As you know, you are in Virtual Machine. If you like to know more about Virtual Machine, I will leave a link to my other video about Virtual Machine. At this time, only press the Enter on your keyboard. Now, you have Ubuntu on your VirtualBox. You can connect to your online account from here, or you may do it later. And you can install any apps as you like, but for now, click Next. Here, as you see, if you like to maximize your screen, there is always a wide area around your window. That will keep your main Ubuntu access window smaller. It will not fit to your screen. If you like remove this area, follow me on next couple steps. Click on Device tab. On the top left menu, click on Insert Guest Edition CD image. As you see, a small pop-up window will open. Click on Run. Enter the password you just created and click on Authenticate. Guest additional installation will start. The process will not take too long. The installation is over. As you see, the white area is gone. Now, when you change the size of your window, it will be without the white margin around it. Wrapping up the video, once again, I'm your host, Sysist. Thanks a million for tuning in. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. See you next time. By the way, be sure to check out our other informative videos. There's a whole treasure trove of knowledge waiting for you. Just click over to our channel and dive in. If there's a specific subject you're curious about, let us know in the comments. We're here to help and create content that matters to you. Happy learning!